that dye actually dyed the wrap. And I have tried multiple products. We have tried everything on this, and it is not coming off. It is stained. So we just got back into Virginia from VMP, and guess what? I'm dropping the car off again, aren't I?
Yep.
We just unloaded the car from the trailer over here in the We parking lot, or Wise's Market, whatever the hell you call this damn place. So now we're heading over to Randy's shop, and we're dropping it off at the vinyl wrap shop. We're gonna have him look at the wrap from where it was messed up, and I'm still undecided on what I'm gonna do with it, if I'm going to re-wrap it or if I'm going to try to fix it. I don't know. You guys are just gonna have to stay tuned for that. We're dropping the car off. Yeah, see what I mean? Trying to get the RV in here.
Oh, yeah, you would, yeah.
Right there. And look at this. We're over here at Laid Not Sprayed.
Hey,
What's up, dude? What's going on? So,
all right, let's look at this thing. Hey, how you been? Oh, I see it.
you see it?
If you look like see it.
It doesn't look as bad now that it's dirty. And
All right, I'll open the garage and you pull it in.
all right.
Test it first.
It sounds a lot better?
Yeah, that sounds better.
Yes. Are you gonna talk to him about getting yours wrapped?
I need to do so much.
Back over here at the RV. Dropped the GT500 off with Randy. He's gonna try some stuff on my car. And then I think he's gonna bring it back out to me next week. I don't know yet. But hopefully we don't have to get it rewrapped, but if we do, we're changing the color. And right now we're gonna head back home, but Les is grabbing some pizza over at the pizza place, and then we're gonna head back to the house with no car. You ready, bud? All right, let's go. We're taking little man out in Tom's Corvette. We don't have the GT500 yet. It's still over at Randy's shop at Laid Not Sprayed.
And my car is too.
Yes, your car is too. Didn't we call him the other day asking about your car? Little man has a question for you. He's asking about his car.
It'll be done before Mustang Week, don't worry.
So, little man will have his Mustang at Mustang Week as well, won't you? What do you want to do today?
Taste it.
And we're gonna go to a car show over at the gazebo in Front Royal, and then we're gonna probably go get you a milkshake. As nice as it is, and you want to have the roof on. Why do you want the roof on? Because why?
Because I like it.
Alright, let's go hit the road, guys. Want to go fast? There you go.
Again.
Again. Is that fun? We're not gonna push it too much. We gotta be easy on this car. But you know what we're gonna do when we get my car back? I'm gonna take you for a ride in it. We're gonna go fast. What do you guys think? You think little man is ready? Are you ready to go fast in the Mustang? We're rolling into the car show, aren't we, bud? What are you doing? Say what's up.
Hey.
Hey.
Oh, wait, he's here.
Hey. Thank you. Say hi, Logan. He's shy. He's shy.
Welcome, guys.
What's up?
What's up? Thanks for coming to my cruising.
Yep.
What's up, little man?
Yep. What's going on?
What's going on, bud?
Hey, your hair's look shorter
Does
from the
it?
last time.
It fell off.
Oh, it fell off.
I follow you on YouTube. Why are you riding with the top up?
You want to tell him? He did not want to take the top off. I tried to. He was like, no, no.
Maybe tonight you'll take the top off, see the stars, right?
Maybe go for a night ride.
Right.
There you go.
Let's, yeah, I'm probably going to go park next to that Mustang over there.
You gotta watch out, they're contagious.
All right. I'm gonna park right here underneath this shade tree. Right there.
Hi.
It'll keep it nice and cool in the car. We made it to the car show, and Dylan's over here selling water. He's got regular water and diet water. Explain to these guys what this diet water is.
This is diet water. It's green. Go green.
So you got the regular and the diet. That's pretty clever. So what he does is he sells the regular water for $1 and the diet water for $2, right?
Yeah.
Right? So you pay a little bit extra to go green, right?
Yeah.
Perfect. This thing is pretty cool. What is that? That's a big motor? What is it, bud?
A clock in the engine.
You said there was a clock in the engine? Where at? So, are you gonna recap my vlog for me, babe?
No.
What are you doing?
Look at him, he's like actually getting baby food now. Let's see what he does. I don't know if he likes the baby food or not.
So far he's not liked any kind of baby food.
So this is actually not the same day. This is a different day, different camera. Old camera broke at the car show. And now it's not even turning on. That's where the vlog ended. You tell them what happened to the camera, buddy. Yep, that's what happened. Our house is a mess. That's what happens when you have kids, right?
Yeah.
Little man, he's in the back making all kinds of noise, so just ignore that if you can. But, so update on the GT500. It's still at Randy's shop. One of the, I guess, Avery reps came out and looked at it, and just because at first Randy called the wrap company to try to, I guess, get some advice for like what, if they've seen this happen before, and if they had any ideas of what they could do to get the stain out. So they actually sent out a rep because they thought it could be covered under warranty or whatever, but anyways, that was self-inflicted damage. What? All right, buddy, you go get your food to eat. He's making play food. As far as that, we're still waiting. Randy's gonna bring the car out to me because he's actually gotta go pick up his rear for his car out here in Winchester somewhere. Still not yet been able to take the GT500 out for its first drive. So as soon as we get it back, we're gonna do like an official first drive in that car with the new setup. And if you guys haven't seen the vlogs from Florida, getting the new VMP setup, you guys need to check those out. And also, I wanted to let everyone know that VMP now is offering, why are you laughing?
I don't know.
You're just laughing at something. Anyways, VMP now is offering a vacation package. So like, if you guys go and get a blower package, they will bring you out and put you in a hotel at the beach or whatever for like 2 days.
You didn't tell me that.
I didn't tell you that.
My food.
That's your food? What are you eating? You got a plastic French fry? Yeah, we'll let Donnie explain it. I got Donnie on the vlog explaining it.
Oh, you do?
I did get him on the vlog explaining it, but I didn't put it in the video. Donnie just told me that VMP has a vacation package.
I was in there already talking to him about it.
You need to do that. They have a vacation package. They'll put you in a hotel for 2 days. 2 nights?
2 nights, so give us 3 days to work on your car. 2 nights, we'll put you in a hotel in New Smyrna Beach. You got Disney World, hour and a half away. Universal, SeaWorld, like an hour away. Daytona International Speedway, 10 minutes away.
Come out here, have fun with the family, and then add some power to the car and get a VMP blower. Oh, what did I get? Hold up. You got a plastic fry, and I got a, what is this?
Well, this is
this a carrot?
This is ours.
This is
We
ours?
just got the same thing.
Oh yeah, this is what we got for dinner. It's a what is that? What is it?
It's a hot dog.
I thought it was a carrot. Yeah, we got a hot dog.
Mama, where did the French fry go?
Subscribe. Ring the bell.
All right.
Buy some merch.
Okay.
Get JD to 75,000.
100,000. We need 100,000. We're almost at 75,000. We need 100K.
We're gonna do it. JD had to do his peace sign like 5 different times to make sure it's right. He gets to do retakes, nobody else does.